Well, jurors had a full day of deliberation in the Michelle Troconis trial. This was the first full day they had after only roughly 30 minutes on Monday.
NBC Connecticut's Kevin Geis has been there for us in Stamford since day one of this trial. Kevin, break down for us what these jurors have to go through. It's a lot.
Absolutely, Kevin and Amber, it is a lot, but they have to reach a unanimous decision on all 6 of the charges. Those charges include conspiracy to commit murder, conspiracy to commit evidence tampering, as well as hindering prosecution in the second degree. Now, following the 2 alternate jurors' dismissal yesterday, we now know the complete makeup of the 6 regular jurors. There are 3 men and 3 women. This is the first full day jurors have to deliberate. At the end of the day yesterday, they requested an easel, and they've been provided a laptop for the over 200 exhibits in this case. Those exhibits include everything from DNA evidence results, evidence pulled from Albany Avenue in Hartford, and the 9 hours of interviews Michelle did with investigators. They still have roughly an hour to deliberate today. We are told by the judge they'll be deliberating mostly during the court hours today. That's from 10 to about 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Kevin, Amber.
Well, Kevin, question for you. Obviously, over these 27 days, the jurors have had to sit there, listen, observe, but they did have one question today. Tell us about that.
They did. They wanted to re-listen to about 38 minutes of testimony, and it was actually testimony from the last day of the defense's case. It was the defense's last witness. Her name was Clara, also goes by Petu Duperron. She's a close personal friend of Michelle Troconis. She testified all about sort of her relationship with Michelle Troconis, as well as Michelle Troconis's demeanor on May 24th and sort of the surrounding days back in 2019. That was the day Jennifer Dulos disappeared. The state, though, in that cross-examination also brought up that she was asked by investigators to provide some information, but we don't know exactly what that information was because she never did speak with investigators.
Kevin, people are watching this trial, this case so closely. Finally, quickly, your gut, how long do they deliberate? How long will it take for this jury of 6 to reach a verdict?
Right, they can go for a while. So the judge would have to decide that there is a hung jury. So they're able to deliberate sort of until they come up with a unanimous decision. They have to be 6 one way or 6 another way. So we're expecting, they have about an hour left today. They only did have that one question, so it's unclear exactly how long they'll take to sort of work their way through all 6 of these charges.
Kevin Geis live for us in Stamford, outside Stamford Superior Court. Kevin, thank you.